I'll start the discussion with the topic that what do we understand by cybersecurity. Correct. The topic is too hot nowadays. Okay, and almost it has been included into a lot of degree applications as well too. People are having masters and bachelors now in the cybersecurity as well too. Correct. So the cybersecurity is basically a term, an industry, to be specific, which is focusing on protecting the internet connected systems, your hardware, your computer, your servers, your routers, your systems, okay, from the cyber threats, which generally have the practices of defending the network over there. Okay, so there was a time, I think around 10 years back, in 2014-15, when organizations was focusing much more on attacking on the infrastructure. There was pen testers, there was so-called ethical hackers they call, and they try to do the attack part and try to give the report over there. That was the phenomena we were having. And now the company has actually changed the approach. So what they do, they actually try to set up a 24/7 operations. So instead of just doing the assessment at every 3 months or 6 months, calling the people, doing the VAPT exercise. VAPT you can't do 24/7 on any infrastructure, correct? So now the companies have changed their approach and they decided to add one more thing, which is like doing a 24/7 monitoring in the network as well as in the application side over there, correct? So at the moment we understand that the devices which you use, any kind of a digital device you have, correct, digital information you have, wherever that information is getting stored, whatever software you are using to save the data, correct, that's everything we need to save, and that is what comes under the cybersecurity, correct. I have a piece of paper where I will write down my password or my credit card number. Okay, do you think the security of the piece of paper will comes under cybersecurity? What do you think? If I'm having some confidential data written on a piece of a paper, correct, will it be coming under the cybersecurity? Will as a cybersecurity guy, do you need to protect that as well? Definitely not. Okay, you must be thinking that yes, that is again some confidential information, but no. Okay, so that comes under information security. So information security is the bigger umbrella. So any kind of the information you have, either digital or physical, okay, both of them comes under information security, and then the digital information is supposed to be protected by the cybersecurity people over there, okay, and as I mentioned, both comes under the information security. So digital one is the cyber security, and the physical and digital, both of it is information security at all.